Welcome to Asyn Code. Hello, and thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. This code generates a grouped bar chart that compares two groups of values, Group 1 and Group 2, across four categories A, B, C, D. Each category has two bars side by side, one for each group. The code sets up the x-axis with category labels, the y-axis with numerical values, and a title that provides context. A legend helps distinguish between the two groups by showing which color corresponds to which group. Importing the pyplot module from Matplotlib to create the chart. Importing NumberPy, a powerful numerical library to handle arrays and mathematical operations. Data for the bar chart. Categories represent the different items we want to compare. They will appear on the x-axis. These are the names of categories, typically displayed along the x-axis. The values corresponding to each category, defining the height of the bars. These numbers represent the data values that will determine the height of each bar. Customizing the width of the bars. The width of each bar. Adjusting this allows bars to be thicker or thinner, helping with visual clarity. Defining the positions of the bars on the x-axis. Index generates an array of positions, example 0, 1, 2, 3 for the bars. The length of categories determines how many positions bars we have. In this case, it will create 4 positions. Defining values for two different groups to display side by side in the bar chart. Group 1 values for the categories. Each number will be represented as the height of the bars. Group 2 values, which will be compared against Group 1. Plotting the bars for Group 1. We use plt.bar to plot bars for Group 1 at positions defined by index. Index defines the positions on the x-axis where the bars for Group 1 will be located. Bar underscore width sets the width of each bar. Label adds a name for this set of bars, which will appear in the legend. Color specifies the color of these bars, which will be blue for Group 1. Plotting the bars for Group 2. The bars for Group 2 are plotted at positions slightly shifted to the right of Group 1. Index plus bar underscore width shifts the positions of the group 2 bars so that they appear next to group 1 bars. The rest is similar to the previous plt.bar statement. Bar underscore width defines the width. Label names the group for the legend, and color sets the color of group 2's bars to orange. Adding labels and a title to make the plot more informative. This label appears on the x-axis, indicating that the bars represent different categories. This label appears on the y-axis, showing that the values represent numerical heights of the bars. Title of the chart, giving the user context about what the chart represents. Adjusting the positions of the category labels so they sit between the bars of Group 1 and Group 2. Sticks places the category labels on the x-axis. Index plus bar underscore width slash 2 shifts the labels so they are centered between the two groups of bars. Categories is the list of category names that will appear as the labels on the x-axis. Adding a legend to the plot to help users differentiate between the two groups. This automatically adds a legend to the chart. The labels Group 1, Group 2 from the bar plot are used. Finally, displaying the plot with all the customizations applied. This command opens up the plot in a window so the user can view the bar chart. Now run our code. I hope you had a great time. Please like and subscribe for more videos.